Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can add your user in your profile who have already signed up on TranZact. So we have seen that multiple times user create their own specific profile, and while adding them again as a user, system provide you notification of account already exists or email already exists. So what you can do in this scenario, you can just delete that particular account, or user can delete that particular account, and then after they can get added in your account. Let me show you how. So what you need to do, you need to go in your settings module of master profile. So this is my master profile in which I need to add a user who have already created an account. You need to go in settings module. Here you need to click on add user. Now you can type email of the user and you can send them email invite. Here you can also copy this invitation link and then just type all the details of user and can bring them as a on your platform. So I am just switching my screen in order to show you that on another screen how I will add an existing user in my profile. So I have copied the link. Now this is my profile which I have created new. So what I will do, I will just paste the invitation link. Here in this invitation link, it will ask for my name. So what I will do, this particular email, I will log out this profile. Now I will copy the email. Once I will copy the email, then after I will fill all the details here. Let me show you. So here is the sign up. I will just put Rakesh dummy. The email password I will type. Please check. The user is already added in one of the company, but this company is the master company, so it is coming. Once I will click on sign up, it will show me that email already registered with us. That means this particular email have already created an account with us. So in this scenario, I will use delete existing account. Now a OTP will be sent to my registered email. I can just type the OTP and then after delete existing account, or I can delete my account using password. So I will just type password here and I will type so as I clicked on this, existing account is deleted. Okay, now I will again click on sign up and accordingly this user is added. Let me show you. Once I will go in my settings, in my user, please check. This is the master profile and this is my user profile which get added. So I hope this particular video will be very much helpful in adding your user in your profile if they have created already an account with us. Have a good day ahead.